All right, everyone, check it out. In this video today, before the weekend, I'm going to go over exactly where I think BTC is heading up to before we do turn around. We're also going to check out Ethereum. I'm going to go over what I'm thinking alts are going to be doing for us here in the upcoming months. I want to give you guys a little bit of a time horizon as to what I see happening over the next couple of months, heading into the end of the year, looking at the bigger picture. So, an important video here today. If you've been watching this channel, called this up move to the upside back when we were down here on BTC. Told everyone we had triple bullish divergence. We had a retest of this RSI trendline breakout, was playing a flat structure. We had a correction up, correction down, looking for an impulse. And boy, oh boy, did we get this move. Captured a beautiful long on the majority of this up move. Missed this last little push. Who cares? This is trading, baby. This is trading. The goal is to catch the bulk of the move. It's very rare you're going to catch the perfect bottom, the perfect top to the perfect bottom, even though that is trade porn and we love to see it when it happens. It's not realistic, guys. You just want to hop on the back of these whales and ride the wave a little bit with them, catch the majority of the move. That's the name of the game. That's what we aim to do here. Let's get right into the analysis. So we're going to hit BTC, bigger time frame, to the smaller time frame. I have the Elliott wave structure mapped out in pretty good detail. As this wave develops, things are becoming more clear. But overall, here's the big picture. This is what I'm going with. This is what I'm sticking with until it's invalidated. I feel good about it. And looking at Ethereum, it confirms kind of my good feelings about this structure. 5-wave impulse from the lows here at 16K. Looks to be finished. Love it to be finished. Does not mean all-time high is in. As you can see here, I have the sweep in the highs at this point. With how high this leaked up, a very extended flat wave, I'm expecting a WXY to play out. We sweep the highs and then dump down to 50K. This is the structure that I will be playing. Listen, if we have a blow-off top, I will be the first to admit I was wrong. I just don't see it coming, guys. I don't see it coming. I know literally everyone and their mother sees a blow off top coming. If everyone and their mother is right and I am wrong, I will be the first to admit it, okay? But this is what I'm playing. We're going to hop on over to the zoomed in view of what we got going on in here. And here I have that zoomed in view, sweep of the highs with the WXY. I posted this chart over on X. Guys, I post daily over on X, post my thoughts. I can get them out quick to you. Make sure you're following me over there at chart_junkies. That link is pinned in the first comment down below. Go check it out. And essentially, with this extended C leg on our ABC flat correction, I do see a little bit higher to go here, which we're going to zoom in on, smaller time frames, and we're going to hit ETH as well, guys. Stick with me through this whole video. This last leg doesn't look quite finished yet, but once we do get finished up in here, right around all-time high, I'm looking at about 106. I'm expecting a larger scale pullback down into here. Let's pull back. There's fair value gaps. There's imbalances down here I would love to fill. And either way, I'm seeing a finished 5 waves almost complete. So even if this wants to absolutely rip to the upside and go to your higher targets, I do think a pullback is necessary. WXYs are double corrections. So we have our flat correction here, we have our correction down, and we'll have our correction up that sweeps the high. So here's the first correction, here's our second correction, and looking for an impulsive wave to the downside. That is how I am playing it. We will see how this develops. Essentially looking at a massive distribution zone in here. As you can see, we're forming a nice range. We are forming a nice range. I expect this trend to continue, and then we can come up, sweep the range high liquidity, and dump to the downside. All right, let's go zoomed in, and then we'll hit ETH. Guys, as I'm a leverage trader, that's what I do. I mainly trade Bitcoin and Ethereum, leverage trade it. I did buy Ethereum spot. I bought meme coins. I bought in on everything down here at the lows. It was a good buying opportunity. I am projecting lower to come, but that doesn't mean I'm still not going to load up on some spot when the price is right. So spot bags are doing good, but as a leverage trader, I trade over on BitUnix. They are no KYC. They're the highest liquidity, no KYC exchange out right now. If you want to give them a try, you just sign up with your email. I do have a promotion with them right now. That link is pinned in the first comment down below, or use code ChartJunkies to get access to these bonuses. Nice, healthy, huge bonuses. Take advantage of it. You also get their VIP2 trading fees, which is 15% off their trading fees. Okay, so take advantage of, pause the screen, read the bonuses. It's a deposit bonus, trading volume bonus. Take advantage of that by clicking the BitUnix link down below. It's the second link. Blowfin's my main exchange. I use 2 exchanges. BitUnix is highest liquidity. So BitUnix is down there. Check out Blowfin as well if you want. Back into the charts real quick. So, wow. Here, let me reload this real quick for you guys. It looks like a schizophrenic work of art. All right. So I'm going to zoom in here on this ABC flat correction right here and kind of break down the impulsive wave that we're experiencing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it's difficult to count. It doesn't look completely pretty, and the best I can say is that this is some kind of extended fifth wave. I was calling for the extended fifth wave when we were down here. I thought we were finished with it right here, and it looks to be going up for one more. It's fine, it's fine. I have a 1, 2, 3, 4 extended fifth. You will see, especially in crypto, these fifth waves on the extended fifths go crazy. All right, so I've seen it many of times before. That's why I'm comfortable drawing it in like this. Your standard Elliott wave people with their, nerdy little glasses pushing it up to their head. They're going,
Alex, this is not correct, sir. This is not correct. This isn't.
Dude, this is 2025, bro. Elliott wave has changed. The principles remain the same. But this is crypto. This is leverage trading. This is how this shit works now. Get off me. All right. So I am looking for 5 waves to finish up here. Of the fifth, of the fifth, of the fifth, right? This shows the fractal nature of everything quite beautifully when I have it drawn in here. Guys, if you want to learn Elliott wave theory, hop on into the free Discord. Right here, there's a free Elliott wave course. I go over all this stuff. I will teach you in detail. There's 3 hours of video boot camps. You will learn Elliott wave right here. It's free in the free Discord. Also, the Ethereum charts that we're about to go over, those are available for free as well. 24/7 live Elliott wave charts, constantly updated in the free Discord. Make sure you hop into the free Discord, pinned in the first comment down below. All the important links are down below in the first comment. Check them all out. I'm telling you, I don't just say this stuff just to say this stuff. I don't need to answer your Elliott wave questions when I have a full course there. Go take it. Invest in yourself. Now, looking for the fifth of the fifth of the fifth to finish here, I am expecting a wave 4 to develop here throughout the weekend. That will be our weekend price action going into Monday. Spike the highs. And then we could talk about our bigger scale correction. I'm going to be really looking to swing short up in here. We took amazing liquidity. Imbalances were filled. I think everyone is expecting all-time high to break right now. Let's give everyone a wake-up call, if you know what I'm saying. Zooming in on this a little further. Before we go into Ethereum, stick with me, guys. Stick with me. I know. ADHD. Stick with me. I hate going micro time frame for you guys because these things change constantly. Get into the premium Discord so I can really update you. I go over all my trades. If you're in the free Discord, just click upgrade here and check out everything that's included in premium. All my trades are included. Live streams. There's so much is included in there, guys. Go check it out. But I see a push down. This looks like a flat to me. Is it finished? It might be finished. It might be finished. We might have a little bit higher to go, but I'm expecting turnaround here to the downside. like so. Is that going to be our finished wave 4 right there? Could be. What is this? Where does this get us? Something like this, pushing up through Sunday night into Monday. I like it. I like it. Very simple correction here. Might take a different shape, but I'm expecting some type of corrective wave here for wave 4, and then we're pushing up for wave 5. Let's hop over to Ethereum. ETH on the daily time frame. This chart, again, it is available in the free Discord. Just go to 24/7 live charts. It's the ETH daily. All right. Now, back when we were up in here, if you go back to my videos covering ETH around this time, I said, guys, I don't even want to entertain this, but I need to bring it to your attention. Up in here, I was looking at a possible absolute dump wave down here for a flat. We got that dump wave. We sure did. We extended way further than I wanted to, but we got that dump wave. I wanted to hold this trend line, and then I was really loving a push to the upside to finish out an ending diagonal. We just dumped way too hard, way too deep, and I can't entertain that idea, but this just goes to show you the power of understanding Elliott wave principles. Although we are taking a different shape overall, the dump move actually occurred. I was ready for that. I was aware of that, and it was a very real possibility. That's just one of the many reasons Elliott wave is crucial to have as your foundation for trading. It gives you such a well-rounded understanding of the market that you'd be foolish not to learn this stuff, guys, truly. So how I am counting it is still a flat. I still have a flat drawn in here, ABC, as you could see. We dumped way too deep underneath this trend line that I'm not entertaining the, push to the upside here anymore. We're essentially on this move up, testing this breakdown of the trend line. I do expect us to break back into there. This trend line means absolutely nothing to me anymore at this point, now that we broke below it. But I think market makers are going to play this trend line for sure. So we are testing the trend line right now. I have an A wave drawn here. I'm looking for a corrective wave to coincide. Let me just refresh this, get a clean chart, with BTC's corrective wave right here. This essentially is this for Ethereum. Now BTC, I have sweeping the highs one more time because BTC is already way up here, guys. It's not much of a move. It's a very small move. Ethereum, I think, is going to actually, rally pretty good. Ethereum already rallied pretty good. Like, big pumps on Ethereum. It's about time. And it's honestly what Ethereum needed and altcoins needed. Because the higher we can retrace here, the higher we can get up, the less of, it's going to be painful on the way down no matter what if this actually plays out. But it at least gives us some hope that these things aren't going to die down here. A nice healthy retrace is due. I don't think we're going to come all the way back up here. Just retracing essentially this move down, and then we can get a more substantial move to the downside on Ethereum, on your altcoins. But I do think this intermediate rally correcting our moves down, that's going to be your alt season, guys. This is going to be your nice rally. Beautiful moves to the upside. Percentage wise, way more than BTC is going to give you, in my opinion. So that's going to be essentially your alt season for those looking for an alt season, in my opinion. We'll see. Hey, I could be wrong. We could just absolutely just rip and blow off top and go to $600,000 Ethereum. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. But Ethereum on the smaller time frames, we're on the 4 hour now. Zoomed in a little bit. It's not looking quite finished yet to the upside, in my opinion. And the same thing with BTC that we went over. It's not looking quite finished yet to the upside. Looking at Solana, looking at everything else, it looks like it needs one more hit after the weekend finishes up here. We get a nice wave 4, come up for wave 5, liquidity sweep heading into the beginning of the week, and then we can look to correct on a larger degree. Ethereum, I'm essentially, this is the, let me draw, this is the A wave from reload this from right here. The A leg right here. That's what I have right here. And extended fifth wave on our impulse. That's how I'm counting this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extended fifth. Looks beautiful. As you can see, the 1 wave, the 3 wave are very small. You're going to always get an extended fifth wave when you're expecting an impulse to the upside or downside, whatever it may be, when your wave 3 and wave 1 are very small like this. So nothing out of the ordinary, nothing crazy. It's a big pump, but the imbalances on this pump are massive, guys. I haven't seen imbalances this big on Ethereum in a long time. Look at the daily. Look at that. Huge. This is gonna get recovered. This is gonna get recovered. Is it gonna be now? Is it gonna be later? Price will come back here undoubtedly. Okay? Don't be foolish. We will come back here. All right, I hope I shed a little clarity on the charts for you guys. Come over to Premium Discord if you want to see how I get into these trades, if you want to see what we do over there. Check it out. I'm running a code right now, 20 off for $20 off your first month. I'm ending that shortly. It's been running way too long. Shutting that down. So if you want to get in, use that code. Make sure you check out BitUnix, guys. Highest liquidity exchange out right now. Capitalize on those deposit and trade bonuses and the VIP2 trading fees. And if you're not going to do anything, come into the free Discord at least. Check out what we got to offer over there, okay? That's all I got to say today. I will see you this weekend. Trade safe, everyone. I love you. Bye.